How to fix Facebook screen size. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with an easy tutorial. So to fix your Facebook screen size, all you have to do is open up your phone setting. In your setting, you need to navigate to the option of brightness and display. If not, just tap on the search icon and search for text size. Select on font size option. Now, as you can see, for an example, if I increase the font size, also my display size, you can see that my screen size has changed along with it. So just tap on Restore Default option that will be present. Once you tap on Reset, your screen size will come back to normal. Then you can head back from here, scroll down and navigate to Apps. Go to All Apps and search for Facebook. In here, force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. This is to fix a bug or a glitch issue. Moving on to the next step, you can exit from your phone setting, then open up your Play Store or App Store. In here, you need to search for Facebook. In your Play Store or App Store, you have to check if there is any available update for your Facebook application. If there is any, just leave for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.